Hello and welcome. This is Gary Garnett again, and yesterday I showed you the best online title generator that creates 700 headlines in about 5 seconds. So I'm just going to do what I did yesterday, put in domain names. I think I'll change that, and we'll click on it, create titles, and we're going to have like 700 different titles. And now I want to show you another software that analyzes those titles. Emotional Marketing Value Headline Analyzer. What it does is your headline will be analyzed and scored based on the total number of EMV, emotional marketing value, words in it has in relation to the total number of words it contains. This will determine the EMV score of your headline. So we'll go back here and we'll get one of these. Domain names. If you do it smart, look for a good title. Ugly Truth About Domain Names. We'll try that. Click on that, copy it, stick it over in this here software. Got to pick a category. Business. I'm going to put in business. Submit for analysis, and it'll give you a score, which is 33.33%. This score indicates that your headline has a total of 33.33% emotional marketing value words. To put that in perspective, the English language contains approximately 20% EMV words. So basically, and for comparison, most professional copywriter headlines will have 30 to 40% EMV words. So I did pretty good on 33.3%. Let's try a different one here. Master your domain names in 5 minutes a day. Okay, we'll try that one. Copy over here. Gonna have to go back here and start over again. Click on that. Put it in here. Paste. Business professional. And that's not a very good headline. Give you 0%. So anyways, that gives you some idea of how this works, and if you wanted to make some good domain name titles, when you're flipping your sites or whatever, I think that would be a pretty good tool to use. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.